In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a caulk gun. This is actually a part of another video that I had made on removing and replacing the caulk around the bathtub, but I figured there are folks who'd want to learn how to use a caulk gun for other purposes. The caulk gun has this plunger that will push on the bottom of the caulk tube just a little bit every time you pull the trigger or the handle, and that helps push out the caulk. So here's a tube that's new and a used tube where the bottom has been pushed up. You need to push this tab or lever to be able to pull the plunger back and out of the bottom of the tube so that you can take the caulk tube out of the caulk gun. So this is how you insert a tube of caulk. And when you want to take it out after you're done using it, you need to first pull the plunger out of the bottom of the caulk tube. And as I've shown you before, you need to push on this lever and while holding it down, pull out the plunger. If you have a used tube of caulk, then chances are the caulk inside the tube will have hardened. So you need to insert a thin metal rod into the tip to poke through the dry caulk to create an opening for the good caulk underneath the dry layer to flow out. This cheapest caulk gun you can buy, which I really like, doesn't have a metal rod attached to it, in which case you can also use a long nail. Now, I also happen to own another caulk gun that has a metal rod attached to the handle, and this is how you use it. Now I'm going to put down a bead of caulk. I am moving the gun while pressing on the trigger to push out the caulk. Next, I just rub it down with my finger, and that's it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I fix my driveway using a caulk gun. And here's a close-up view.